back answering your questions. And this question is coming from Raquel, and she says, haha, you're so funny in this video. It's very useful. The question is, do wigs get stinky? I am assuming they do. How do you prevent it? And what do you do? So, good question, Miss Raquel. We're going to answer that for you today, and I'm going to show you a couple of products. I'm in the store today, so I'm going to show you these products and we will talk about it. So, do wigs get stinky? They can. Just like, think of a wig the same way you would think of like a hat or something you're putting on your head. If you wear it a lot, if you don't wash it, if it's hot out, all those things are going to contribute to the smell. Wigs, although we wear them as hair, they are synthetic fibers. The cap is, made from fabric. So you're going to treat it just like you would treat fabric in terms of whether it gets stinky, whether it's not, what have you. The fibers themselves can get stinky as well for different reasons. Stinky. Okay, so let's sit down here and talk about the fibers getting odor, okay? We'll talk about the cap separately. So one of the things is like, these are fibers, Again, just even with your bio hair, if you're around certain things, it can absorb the smell. If you're in a situation where maybe you're around smoke, like a campfire, if maybe like say you go to a Mexican restaurant or something, all of those smells and spices, they will get trapped in the fiber just like anything else. So the quick and easy thing that you can do is you can use a dry shampoo, and they have this really nice one from Trust Tech by Tressalure, and that will absorb the oil, the sweat, the smells, all of that type of stuff. So I would say grab the dry shampoo. I always suggest that you use products that are designed for synthetic fibers. You can use regular human hair dry shampoo, I have, but it can get a level of buildup on it. So grab some dry shampoo. That is going to be sort of your quick and easy type of scenario, okay? Next up, I would say you're gonna want to wash your wig no more than once a week, but after, I'd say, 5, 6, 7 wears, or if situationally you're in a scenario where you were sweating a lot, you were by a campfire, like whatever, okay? I like the Renee Paris Prepare shampoo. You don't want to overwash your wig though, because that can not be great for the fibers. But I love this Prepare shampoo from Renee of Paris, okay? And it is great. It smells great. It works well, and it does help your fibers as well. The other thing that you can do is wear a liner. If you don't want to wear a wig grip and a liner, if you don't like the nylon liners, I don't. I use this Milano wig grip cap. It comes in a regular and a lace version. This is not only going to keep your wig in place, keep it on your head, it's also going to absorb any oils, absorb some sweat. So it's going to give you that little bit of protection. It's going to feel nice under your wig. So it's going to create a little bit of a barrier as well. You can also use a product called Headline It. I have a video on that and I will link that for you, but you can use Headline It. It'll keep you cool because that's what it's made for, but it also absorbs moisture, oils, things like that. If you're gonna be pretty active in your wig, doing anything active, hiking, whatever, moving furniture, I would maybe scoop up some of those as well. And that'll keep the stink factor down, okay? I hope this answered your question. Raquel, please keep asking them. Put them down below if you have a question. I've been doing these videos a little bit regularly. I love doing them. I'm here in my store, just in between customers answering the questions. And it's just kind of a faster and easier way for me to give you the answers. And usually if you have the question, so does other people. You can also join our private Facebook group. I always ask for questions in there. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.